What do you think?
I think we're dead meat. Real dead meat.
You dead meat!
Go ahead and laugh, you guys. Find the final little bastards that did this. They're dead meat.
I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Zep. It doesn't happen on screen like a lot of the gore here, but it's still effective because of Adam's unbridled rage. Plus, killing someone with a toilet tank lid is good stuff no matter how it's done. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Mike. It's a real cool way to open the movie, and I like how it's brutal while still leaving plenty to the imagination. Golden chainsaw has plenty of options, but I'll give it to my girl Allison Carey because not only is it brutal, it also has this weird kind of beauty about it. Probably because it's reminiscent of the Viking Blood Eagle that Chelsea and I discussed in our podcast episode about real-life saw traps. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Tree Death number 2. It's not on screen, but it's a death via broken bong. Of course that beats the other tame kills here. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Eric Matthews. It's an incredible visual, and it also helps put a punctuation on this part of the Saw saga. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Agent Strong, who really could have used a pair of droids to shut down all the garbage smashers on the detention level. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to William Easton, even if I can't show the crazy final shot in the public version of this video. Just imagine like a sleeping bag full of toothpaste and bubblegum splitting open and spilling all over the ground. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Jill Tuck. Yeah, I can barely show anything in the public version, and I'm sorry about that, but that's just how cool this kill is. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Halloran, I guess. The effects aren't great, but I just can't figure out who else I would give it to. And besides, how often do you have frickin' laser beams slicing a head like a pizza pie? I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to the Purger who gets hacked in the back, I guess, because it was something different. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to the homeless guy who gets lit ablaze, since I always love a good fire stunt, and, you know, it's not somebody getting shot. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to those guillotine victims in the alleyway, since they're being killed by a guillotine in an alleyway. That's insane. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Deputy Phil Burke. There were a couple other contenders, but Phil wins out because he was killed with an American flag. It just feels like my duty to give it to him. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Donald Gennaro. Even if you've only seen this movie once, you remember the dude getting eaten off the toilet, guaranteed. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Axel, since his was more on screen and had more blood, of course. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Eddie Carr, obviously. Dude got split apart by a couple of kissing dinosaurs. How the hell is anything gonna compare to that? I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Ken. There were a few good kills here, but Ken's is the one that everyone remembers, and I guess I just have a thing for blender kills. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Udesky, because it's the most on screen. Real nice nasty neck snap there, courtesy of the Trapper Raptor. I guess I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Zara, even though it still kind of rubs me the wrong way, and no, not because she's a woman. It just seems weird to have this put upon character getting dunked by pteranodons like she a basketball and they a bunch of Air Jordans. Still, it's the most elaborate death, and it's made extra impressive when you learn that actress Katie McGrath did all her own stunts for this sequence. That's just freaking awesome, and it looks like a total blast. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Dylan. The arm getting blown off and continuing to fire the gun is a classic shot, and it's followed up with a nice use of Predator's blades. Good stuff. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to King Willie. It's not entirely on screen, but they do a nice edit with the scream for it. Plus his skull winds up on a shrine alongside of xenomorphs. That's more than any of us could ask for in death. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Stans. I know we've seen the spine and skull rip before, but never on a living person, and it's still so damn cool, I don't mind that it's nothing new. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Bob. The shot of him pinned to the wall is one of the best shots in the movie, and the head tilt that Michael does tells us everything we need to know about him. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Gary, because it's when we first realize how deadly Cujo has become, and it's the most graphic death since we get to see the aftermath. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Nurse Karen. I feel like I have to. Although there were plenty of other commendable deaths in this movie, nothing is as memorable as Karen's face peeling off as Michael dunks her over and over again. If only that hot tub were a time machine to go back to when she was still alive. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Starker. Lots of cool deaths in here, but I just can't get over Dick Warlock pulling a dude's head off with his bare hands. It's just awesome. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Earl, whose neck neck was ripped apart in a shot that was actually added later after the filmmakers decided they wanted more gore in the movie. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Mike. It's short and simple, but the actor sells it with his little twitching on the ground. Plus, it was nice to see that character go so early. That dude sucked. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to John Strode, obviously. Dude's fucking head blew up. Top that shit. Oh wait, you can't. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Jimmy. Yeah, it was done off screen, but it was with an ice skate. That's something kinda new. Plus, who doesn't want to see Tommy Solomon with a skate in his snarky face? I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to William and the pitchfork through his back. I love the reveal of it, and it's also helped by that creepy shot later on of him smiling at the camera. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Charlie. It was the most unique kill since it was done with a tripod, and the gore effects weren't bad either. Plus, you get so many angles of it. It's an editor's dream. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Greg. Although he ultimately went down with a bunch of background stabs, I'm including that gnarly axe in the chest in my calculations, cause that was some solid looking gore. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Joe Grizzly. It's not so much the final two stabs that win the award, but rather the crazy raw fight that these two behemoths have before that. Apparently they wrecked a real bathroom with their own bodies, like that stall wall wasn't a fake one or anything. It's a real intense scene, and you gotta love Ken Foray being a part of it. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Pat Hingle. Even if you take away the crazy shot of her exposed heart getting stabbed, her body crashing through the stained glass window is the image most associated with this film, and for good reason. It's freaking incredible. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Gary Scott, who got his head sawed off with a piece of glass. I love a good decapitation, and this one is pretty brutal. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Martin Casera. It's not the only decapitation, but it's the first decapitation, and it's got that waffle iron to the face as a lead-in. I just think this is the most iconic image from this movie. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Maria. Like, yeah, it's just a drowning, but they freaking killed a little girl in a movie in 1931. Most movies nowadays are too afraid to do that. Besides, it gives way to those amazing shots of her dad carrying the body through town. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Deadite Shelley, who got hacked all to pieces by Scotty. Fun fact, actress Teresa Tilly was underneath the floorboards with her head and hand out, while other people provided her other limbs. Fun stuff. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Jake. Yeah, the details of what's happening are off screen, but I can't think of a better image to summarize the tone of this movie than Annie pulling at Jake's legs while she gets soaked with a geyser of blood. It's hilarious in that perfectly dark Evil Dead way. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to that first dude who went into the pit. I understand you wanted that PG-13 rating, Sam, but I need more blood in my Evil Dead movies, and at least this first death gave me some, even if it was pretty jokey. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Brad, not only for the kill, but also for his hilarious final line.
Well, look what the cat brought in.
You've got the stumpy blood spurt, the severed can-crushing hand, it's all so great. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to the Abomination, fucking obviously. Sawed in half vertically with a chainsaw? What the fuck else is supposed to win this? Nothing, that's what. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Denise. Definitely the most inventive death in the movie, with some solid special effects work and all that footage cut out from the R-rated version. Plus, it's Linnea Quigley. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Rocco. The only other death that gave it competition was the car battery one. But when he opens the umbrella through Rocco's back, oh man, that seals the deal. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to AJ. It's not often that a kill via gunfire gets this coveted award, but having a cyber-based movie kill someone through swatting was just excellent. And it shows how the filmmakers are at least partially tuned into internet culture. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to, none of them. None of these kills deserve that award, on screen or not. I don't reward movies that don't try. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Mike. None of the movie's kills are anything amazing out of context, but this drawn-out scene with Baghead sitting next to Mike and jamming out to sophisticated 80s pop is one of the best parts of the movie. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Hank, which is probably one of the most off-screen deaths to ever get the award. But his earlier stabbings in the kitchen feel really intense to me, and even his ultimately off-screen death is effectively shot from Kim's perspective under the bed. Good stuff. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Eli Mills. Yeah, it's pretty similar to Eddie Carr's kill from The Lost World, but that one got the golden chainsaw too, because it's fucking awesome. Besides, I don't want to give it to Wheatley because of all that Bugs Bunny bullshit. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Harold the landlord. The bug shit is gross and I'm not necessarily the biggest fan, but I fell in love with this death when those eyes got sucked into the skull. Plus, the damn car blows up at the end. Of course this is the fucking winner. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Dennis. Sorry that I can't show it in the public version, but that thing splits in two like a capital Y. And holy shit, man, it is gnarly as fuck. Clear winner. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to that strip club patron who got electrocuted via stripper pole. It's a fun use of the setting, and I really like how messed up his face looks when he's sitting there fried. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Kenny Hampson. Most of these kills were real boring, and at least with this one, we got to watch a dummy float down a river. That's kind of fun. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Dan Fawcett, the farmer found with his eyes pecked out. It's actually a horrifying image that was accomplished by combining makeup effects done by Howard Smith with matte painting done in post. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Cheryl, who straight stabbed herself in the neck with a pair of scissors a whole bunch of times. Way to make sure the deed was done, lady. You know the golden chainsaw for coolest kill is going straight to Leslie. No damn question about it. That chick's head blown up has been stuck inside my brain since I was a kid, and I'll probably carry it with me for the rest of my life. Golden chainsaw for coolest kill goes to Dr. Sartain, obviously. That is one messy head crunch. Sorry I can't show it uncensored in the public version, but peep that shit on Patreon if you want. Or just, you know, watch the fucking movie. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Celtic. I love the head bite, and this is the only time in this movie that we got to see it in all its glory. Gotta love all that glow-in-the-dark blood going everywhere. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to that worker guy Nate, since I'm a sucker for a good head bite, and I love the fact that this one went through a hard hat. Honorable mention to Drew's melty face though. That was sick. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Sheriff Burke. I love the practical effects used for it, and even when it does get digital, hey, it's a jaw flying at the screen. That's fine. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Bo. It's not particularly graphic, but it was obviously super impactful, not only to the viewing audience, but also to the characters, who never quite got over it. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Judd, obviously. The effects here are just more exceptional work from the Andersons. Great family to marry into, Heather.
You're in the wrong business if you don't love blood.
I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Clyde. It's an easy pick for me. Using a dirt bike tire is pretty unique, and it's got the shock factor that it happens to a frickin' teenager. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to the three mercs who Dimitri killed in the stairwell, simply because of the awesome way that whole scene was filmed. Props to Dee's actor, Ilan Noel. He really brought it in this movie. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to the furniture dude. Nothing was really on screen, so I'll go with the coolest implied kill. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Fifield, as long as I can count the helmet melting transformation along with his much simpler mutant death. If you think I can't do that, well then here, it goes to Wallace, because that death was brutal and kinda came out of nowhere. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Andy. I love a good vertical bifurcation, and I like that he used the solar panel they had set up earlier. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to that Angkor guy. It's quick, but it's a jaw getting tail whipped off a face. That's pretty cool, regardless of the CG looking effects. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Nettles. I've always wondered what happens as a ship's force field is deployed, and now I know. And if you in its way, you can kiss your limbs goodbye. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Kenny. Yeah, he was a nobody, but tell me the last time you saw someone killed with a novelty pencil. I'll give the golden chainsaw for coolest kill to Anne, because I guess it had the best makeup effects, and eye stuff is usually effective.